Today I am going to discuss about another problem on the engine performance. Here, a gasoline engine working on 4-stroke engine develops a brake power of 20.9 kilowatt. So data is given as here as brake power is 20.9 kilowatt. A Morse test was conducted on this engine. We all know that why the Morse test is conducted, because Morse test is used to calculate the indicated power of the engine. So indicated power can be determined by using the Morse test. So Morse test was conducted on this engine, and the brake power obtained when each cylinder was made inoperative by the short circuiting the spark plug are 14.9. So BP 234, when we are short circuiting the spark plug of the cylinder number 1, then we will obtain 14.9 kilowatt. Similarly, BP 134, when we are short circuiting the spark plug of the second cylinder, then it will be 14.3 kilowatt. Similarly, BP 124, when we short circuiting the spark plug of the cylinder number 3, then we will obtain the brake power 14.8 kilowatt. Similarly, BP 123, 14.5 kilowatt. Okay, and we have to calculate the indicated power, that is IP. Mechanical efficiency eta M, and also brake mean effective pressure, so BMEP. So IP eta M, that is mechanical efficiency, and brake mean effective pressure we have to calculate. So first, for the IP1 equals to BP minus BP 234. So 20.9 minus BP 234 is 14.9. So 14.9. So it will be 6 kilowatt. Similarly, IP2 equals to BP minus BP 134. It will be 20.9 minus 14.3. So it will be 6.6 kilowatt. Okay. Now IP3, BP minus BP 124, that is 20.9 minus 14.8. So it will be 6.1 kilowatt. Similarly, IP4, BP minus BP 123, 20.9 minus 14.5. So it will be 6.4 kilowatt. So now IP, total indicated power of the engine, will be IP1 plus IP2 plus IP3 plus IP4. So IP equals to now, so 6 plus 6.6 plus 6.1 plus 6.4. So total IP of the engine will be 4 plus 1 5, 25.1 kilowatt. Okay, so from here we have, so number 1, that is IP is 25.1 kilowatt, that is answered. Now number 2 is mechanical efficiency is BP by IP. So BP is 20.9 and IP is 25.1 into 100 for efficiency. So eta M equals, so it is mechanical efficiency will be 20.9 divided by 25.1 into 100, so it will be 83.27 percentage. Now coming to the third question, that is brake mean effective, that is mean effective pressure, brake mean effective pressure. So it will be BP equals to PM into L into A into N into K by 60,000. So ultimately BMEP equals to BP into 60,000 divided by L into A into N into K. So BMEP equals to, brake power is 20.9 into 60,000 divided by, it is a square engine, here it is the bore of the engine is 75 millimeter and stroke is 90, so 0.075, so it will be L is 0.09 into pi by 4 to 0.075 whole square into N is the number of power strokes per revolution, so it will be 3000 by 2, 3000 by 2 into K. K is the number of cylinders, so it is the formula of the brake mean effective pressure. So ultimately BMEP is pi by 4 into 0.075 square into 1500 into 4 into 0.09, 20.9 into 60,000 divided by answer. So it will be 525,643.58 Newton per meter square. So brake mean effective pressure BMEP equals to 5.25 bar. That is the answer.